video, I'll be showing you how to make a resin coaster. I am going to use a wooden MDF coaster for this project. I've underpainted with turquoise. I have to tape underside. This will prevent some resin drips from slipping over the sides. I am using white glue to place down my dried flowers. My next tutorial, I'll be sharing with you my way to dry and preserve my flowers, so stay tuned. For art resin product is 1-to-1 ratio. It means equal amount of resin and hardener. I use 10 ml of resin to 10 ml of hardener. I mix for 3 minutes. I mix gently to avoid air bubbles. Mix very well and make sure I have clear, well-mixed mixture. I start pouring a little top coat of resin slowly. Some bubbles will pop up on the top. It is normal, I'll eliminate it later. By using a wooden stick, I spread it smoothly over the surface. I pour as much as I need. I will keep going over the whole coaster. I'm pouring little drops over the edges. This prevents some resin drips from slipping down. I use lighter over the surface to get rid of any bubbles. I covered it with a wooden box. I'll let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, rip the tape off. Any cute drips will come off. I prefer to use my resin coaster after 7 days to be sure it is fully cured and heat resistant.